Trust me, if you're aiming to boost your CRS, the language test is one of the best areas to maximize your score. I focused on CELPIP and gave it all to get the highest possible bands, and it actually made a huge difference.
Nakita nyo ba guys yung score niya? Umabot ng 500 sa express entry dahil number 1, she is young. Number 2, she has almost perfect score na sa kanyang English test. Kaya nga lagi ko sinasabi, kesyuhadang meron kang experience dito or meron kang diploma or masters, kung hindi mataas ang English test mo, mahirapan ka rin na maabot yung 500 points. So, kailangan yung paghandaan yan. And if ikaw ay nagpe-prepare na for CELPIP right now, we do have tutors na nag-specialize dito. If you are needing some help, you can connect with us at yung FB page natin, and we have a free discovery call then if you're interested. Pero yun, meron kang access sa paid materials na nabibili from CELPIP kasi 290 din yun. Pero, pag part ka ng review class natin, ninibigyan ka namin ng access doon. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng 290 na mahal na review materials from CELPIP. Kasama na yun sa tutoring din. So, yun lang guys.